Welcome to the vlog. It's Tuesday, it's grocery shopping day. I didn't vlog yesterday just because I didn't feel like it. We need that cart. Will somebody go over there and grab that cart for me? Hello guys. So it is Tuesday and we went grocery shopping and now I am downstairs ready to work. It is like 3:30. I went ahead and edited. So I didn't vlog yesterday. I just didn't. It got later and later and then I'm like, you know, there's nothing really exciting to vlog about, so I'm not even gonna vlog. So yeah, I edited. I ended up staying up until like 1:30 last night editing vlogs. I want to get caught up. Just because Dani's coming, so I want to have like footage already prepped. Dani will be here Friday, you guys. I'm so excited. It's like one of those, like, you try not to think about it until, you know, like last week I tried not to think about it really because I'm like, oh, she's coming, and then now that it's getting closer and closer, you're like so excited, like she's coming. So yeah, and okay, so there's a lot. It just seems like everything, because we're going to concerts, like I've been to concerts almost like 3 weeks in a row. I think it was like The Cure, and then maybe I didn't go to a concert, and then I did Matchbox 20, and then we did the Culture Club, which I'm wearing the Culture Club. I think, you know, and so kind of like, yeah, busy. But we're going to a concert on Friday, you guys. I know. And I'm going to tell you guys who it is. So it is Flock of Seagulls, and they have a tribute band to the Depeche Mode opening for them. And I've heard they're really good. I will look them up on YouTube and watch some of their videos and stuff. And then I watched some Flock of Seagulls of their concerts. So it's only one guy it was in the original Flock of Seagulls who was touring, but of course he has, you know, the band and everything. But so my husband really loves Flock of Seagulls. Me, I probably only know maybe 4 or 5 songs by them. Of course, you know, he's like, it's one of those kind of bucket list bands, or like, oh, I would, you know, love to see them, and here they are. So we're gonna go. We are on the fence on whether or not we should go, but they had that concert ticket deal where it was like all in, it was called, and you could get 4 tickets for $80. So that's $20 a ticket. So we went ahead and we did that, and because I went to the Matchbox 20, they gave me $20 in concert cash. So I got to put that $20 on there. So ended up getting the tickets for $60, and when you do the all-in ticket thing, they don't charge any fees or anything. So it is flat out all in $80. So if it's still going on, look it up. And I think it was good until August. I think it was going on for maybe, let me look it up real quick because I don't want to mislead anybody. But so Live Nations, it's also on Ticketmaster too. So it's called, through August 1st. So I don't know when this video is going up, but here it is. It's not gonna focus on it. It's like, there you go. So yeah, and so, which I think is great because there's no extra fees. And if there was some other bands, but it depends too on Oh, it says if it doesn't show it on there, it might be sold out for this. So Anyway, I am going to get some work done. Dani's coming, really excited. She will be here Friday. So when she gets here, I'm going to tell her to take a nap so we can go to the concert. My husband has to work. The concert doesn't start till 8, so we're all good there. So as soon as he gets off work, we're going to leave and go there. And then, you know, and then Cora's baby shower is the following day. So I have to make all my food. I'm going to make everything Friday afternoon. And that way it'll be ready Saturday morning. Or Saturday, her shower starts at 12. So, and then I also have to make cocktail weenies in the crock pot. So I'm going to put them in sometime Saturday early morning. That way they will be nice and ready and still hot when we go to the baby shower. So then we have the baby shower, and then Dani will be here for that. And I'm not sure what we're doing on Sunday yet, but I still want to go to that sliding rock that we didn't get to go to when she was here last time. It's just a rock you slide down in, and it's called Sliding Rock. It's in North Carolina. It's like a, you know, one of those touristy kind of like places you need to see and visit and go. So I want to do that. There's also like a water park. There's 2 of them that's near us. We haven't been to them in like since the boys were little. So I'm like, I don't know, we might want to go check out one of those. There's one that's actually kind of closer to us. That is, you know, I think it was like $12 a person. So maybe we might try that one out and see what we think. And there's a few places that, you know, I'm like, oh, we should have took Dani there. We should have took Dani there. So now this time I'm like, we gotta take her. Like, I want to take her to the Beacon. I thought about taking her to Mutt's. I don't know about that one though, because they have weird hours. So, but yeah, I'm very excited to hang out with her, and I want to do more lives with her, and it'll just be, you know, it's just fun summer vibes. We can be outside making some more s'mores and that kind of thing. Yeah, so I'm really excited. So I have to get these orders out the door, and I want to try to clear up as much in my schedule as I can. There'll be a few that I won't be able to get done because I'm waiting on shirts. But yeah, let's get to work. notification that like my credit card was taken off my Amazon account, and I'm like, what? So then I tried to log into Amazon and I couldn't log in, and it's like, we noticed some unusual activity. Yeah, you've been blah blah blah. So had to call, get that straightened out. It just, I hate thieves. I just hate them. And hate is a strong word, and I hate them. I am packaging up these orders. I've got, I don't remember how many left. One in particular, though, they want a pink shirt. So I told them I could order it, because I always order my shirts on Monday now, it seems like. So I was like, because I don't have any other shirts to order, order a pink shirt from Angela, so I'm like, I told her I placed my orders on Monday and that, you know, I could get it out to her. I told her I should have it by Thursday, and, you know, if I don't get it done, then I could get it, you know, out to her on Monday, next Monday. So, and she was like, that's fine. So, this is one I stitched out on the Racoma, and I stitched this dinosaur out on the Racoma, and then but phew, I'm like, man, I don't have any money for you to be stealing from me. Anyway, I talked with Julie, so that's where we're having the baby shower is at Julie's house. I talked to her for a while. I think I'm gonna go help her like clean probably Thursday, so I might not be going to Zumba. It all depends. I think she's off Thursday, so maybe we'll make it early. Maybe I'll, you know, go over there kind of early and help her clean, and then Friday we're going to the concert. So she's like, girl, going to another concert. Like, it's like one of those things. It's like, you know, you don't know when, like, when you'd ever see them again. You know what I mean? Some of these bands, because they're getting older, like, you know, Culture Club and Howard Jones, and, you know, they're getting up there. Are they going to tour again? Who knows? Are they in good health? I don't know. So, anyway, got my blood boiling now. So I told my husband, I'm like, man, get my panties in a wad, because I'm like, who's hacking my account? So, but now we have to add all our information back to our account, because she's like, you'd have to put it back on. But I'm like, it's fine right now. But now I have to sign Alexa back up. I'm like, that sucks. Anyway, I'm gonna finish up here, trimming my threads and packaging my orders. We got therapies in the morning, so I want to finish up the last of my orders that I can finish up. Like I said, there's a couple that I can't finish up just because I don't have the shirts. And I do have one ribbon trim set to make. It's not even due to ship out until I think, I don't remember, maybe the 8th, but I think I might just go ahead and get it done, and that way I will be free the whole time Dani's here. I mean, I do have my turnaround times turned up, so if I do get an order, I probably will have to get that done, but at least I will know for the next, like, 5, I think my turnaround time is set at 5 to 7 days, so yeah. I will know for at least 5 to 7 days. I don't have to ship any orders if I get them all done. So that's the plan. Hopefully I can get them done. And my AJ Blanks order should be here Thursday. So maybe Thursday evening I'll finish up the last of my orders. I still want to make so I want to make something for my grandbaby Thomas, you know. But I'm like, if I don't, I mean, I'm still gonna make him something. I'm still gonna make him lots of stuff, you know what I mean? But I'm just like, if I don't do it in time for the baby shower, that's fine. I just put them over here. I was gonna say, I just put the little gowns over here. I still want to. Maybe I can do it. Maybe I can get that in tomorrow. And then I also want to clean Sterling's shower because it needs it. I mean, it's probably, the last time it's been fully clean was probably a month ago when Dani was here. I mean, the kids, between Sterling and Evan, they are supposed to be cleaning it once a week, but we all know how that goes. Children's, I tell you. I need to get more tender touch. I'm using my the scrappy roll that has that, like the end. It's not gonna focus, yeah. Has like that, so I cut that part off. Gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you all.
Thanks for watching. Tomorrow. Bye.